Hello friends, today I am with you with a presentation which was given in an international webinar organized by the Psychological Association of Chhattisgarh. As a key speaker, honorable dignitaries, respected delegates, and dear friends, just to save the time and internet data and to make the presentation more understandable, we should avoid extempore presentation. That's why I have structured each and every sentence of my presentation. Let me present. Friends, I am Arun Kumar Singh, Associate Professor, Department of Economics, TDPG College, Jaipur, Uttar Pradesh. I welcome you all on my behalf and on behalf of the association in this international webinar. First of all, I extend my gratitude to the organizing committee for inviting and giving me an opportunity to meet you all, such a diligent personalities. Friends, my topic on which I have to share my views is impact of lockdown on India's challenged future due to COVID-19, with a special reference to life, education and culture, and livelihood, size of cake. Before presenting my paper, I would like to establish a level playing field. It means a speaker should be clear in his mind that what he has to deliver. An audience should be clear that what they are going to listen. In between me as a speaker and you, the audience, for this purpose, I will have to answer a question that why am I, being a student of economics, here in this forum of psychology? Friends, you know that psychology and economics are complementary to each other. Size and fate of the economy are determined by the mindset. You may be knowing bull and bear, optimist and pessimist, or expectation. In other words, psychology of the stakeholders like consumers, investors, producers, and other economic agents. On the other hand, economic well-being plays major role in the overall behavior of the human being. It means anyone, if alone, is not complete. Friends, during this COVID-19, a worldwide pandemic has raised two questions. First is related to life and second is related to livelihood. First will be addressed by psychology and second will be addressed by economics. Psychology will be on the top in the subject ranking in a near future, and economics will be the second preference. Friends, now I will present my paper. It is based on theoretical exposition and will not touch the ethical side of the issue. So friends, let me present impact of lockdown on India's challenged future due to COVID-19 with a special reference to life, education and culture and livelihood size of cake. Keywords: lockdown, COVID-19, economy, future, employment. Statement of the problem: lockdown due to COVID-19 and life and livelihood related paradigms. Research question: will life and livelihood related paradigms shift? Research hypothesis: life and livelihood related paradigm will shift after lockdown due to COVID-19. Null hypothesis: life and livelihood related paradigm will not shift after lockdown due to COVID-19. Methodology: education and culture both are related to consciousness and they address life. But if you are hungry, then consciousness is meaningless. Karl Marx says it is the existence that determines consciousness, but not consciousness that determines existence. To test the hypothesis, I will use the data in non-academic form. Non-academic means a discussion without quantified data. From economics point of view, this presentation is based on theoretical exposition. Matter and material. Lockdown in COVID-19 will affect the human being in different ways, although they are two sides of the same coin. COVID-19 will affect way of life, psychological well-being means mindset, that is temper, approach and attitude. And lockdown will affect material well-being means choices, income and employment. Change in psychological well-being will affect culture, natural behavior, and change in material well-being will affect education, and jointly they will affect economic well-being. Size of the cake. COVID-19 will affect economic activities negatively. Growth will hamper, but happiness may increase because simple life and high thinking approach will become an important part of the life. But as far as economic growth is concerned, we will have to face serious problem from demand side as well as supply side. Demand side chain. If we talk about demand side, due to reduced size of cake, WTO estimated world economic activities may decrease in between 13 to 32%, although this is only a mental exercise. Except time, nobody can say what will happen in the future. Per capita availability will decrease, so consumption and saving will also decrease. Prices may not increase, but size of the cake will become more smaller and it will create a vicious cycle. A smaller size of the cake, per capita income will decrease, consumption will decrease, saving will decrease, demand will decrease, price will decrease, and size of cake will become more smaller. Supply side chain. If we talk about supply side, we will find that due to a smaller size of the cake, saving percentage will be less in the economy. As a result, less capital will be available for the investment and production, which will reduce size of the cake further, and we will have to face a serious vicious cycle. Size of the cake is smaller. As a result, per capita income will decrease, saving will decrease, investment will decrease, production will decrease, employment opportunity will decrease, and size of cake will become more and more smaller. Demand side plus supply side will affect the size of cake. It will become more and more smaller. Purchasing power will reduce and cost of living index will increase, and it will lead stagflation, price rise with stable output. Dual economy. Experiences during lockdown due to COVID-19 will create a new paradigm. It will promote the importance of local agriculture sector. Local agriculture sector will face burden of laborers, surplus sector, and industry sector will face a shortage of supply of laborers, a scarcity of laborers. Due to reallocation of 80 million migrant laborers, it will disturb optimum allocation of active resource. Agriculture sector, surplus of labor, production and income will remain same because agriculture sector is already facing disguised unemployment, but demand will increase, price will increase, and it will leave demand pull inflation, and cost of living will increase, and it may lead social and economic unrest. Industrial sector, scarcity of labor, cost of production will increase, amount of production will decrease, prices will increase, cost push inflation can be realized, and cost of living index will increase, and it may lead economic and social unrest. Analysis. Above discussion clears that this worldwide pandemic will reduce the size of cake, total economic activities, especially tertiary sector. As a result, engagement, employment and self-employment opportunity will reduce worldwide. This situation will affect the entire education system negatively. Desire to have more and more specialized education as well as facilities of education, infrastructure related to hardware and software, both will decrease tremendously. It means entire education system will have to face several complexities in the near future due to COVID-19. On the other hand, insecurity and threat to life, safety, insufficient government support and regional discrimination which a mass living in other cities faced during lockdown due to COVID-19 have changed the natural behavior, culture of the common man. It has increased the importance of family, village, home, town, love, affection, sacrifice, sharing, in short, simple living and high thinking. COVID-19 will shift the paradigm definitely. Test of hypothesis. Analysis tests the hypothesis very clearly, and it can be said that null hypothesis is not acceptable. Conclusion. It would be appropriate to conclude the entire paper with some quotes taken from my Facebook page, and at the same time it will answer your many questions related to financial package, Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, and online education, etc. It will elaborate the effect of COVID-19, especially on psychological and material well-being, more clearly. अर्थव्यवस्था की दिशा और दशा अर्थ से नहीं बल्कि प्रत्याशा से निर्धारित होती है. इट मीन्स फ्रॉम साइकोलॉजी. कोविड-19 की वर्तमान परिस्थिति में जीने का घटा उत्साह, भविष्य की सुरक्षा का भय तथा व्यवस्था में दिखा अविश्वास, विशेष आर्थिक पैकेज यद्यपि 20 लाख करोड़ अर्थव्यवस्था अर्थशास्त्र तीनों के बीच तालमेल बैठाना कठिन हो रहा है को भगवान का ही सहारा है. ईश्वर हमारी मदद करे. एक तरफ मजदूरों की किराए की मारामारी, दूसरी ओर इतना बड़ा आर्थिक पैकेज. देश की यह संपन्नता समझ से परे है. सांसारिक सोच, थिंक ग्लोबली और स्थानीय आत्मनिर्भरता, एक्ट ग्लोबली, गांधी का ग्राम स्वराज की सोच को कोरोना ने पुनः स्थापित कर दिया. आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के उद्बोधन का समाजशास्त्री तथा अर्थशास्त्री उद्देश्य धरातल पर अवश्य पूर्ण हो, ऐसा मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ. ईश्वर हमारी रक्षा करे. आत्मनिर्भरता, वह भी उधार लेकर, वह भी ऐसी विपरीत परिस्थिति में जब आम आदमी खाली हाथ, भूखे पेट, नंगे पांव सड़कों पर मारा फिर रहा हो, और उद्यमशीलता की बात करने वाली राजनीति और राजनेता दोनों पर निष्पक्ष और गंभीर चिंतन की आवश्यकता है. जबकि इतिहास गवाह है कि सामान्य परिस्थितियों में भी ऐसी योजनाएं, ट्राइसम, IRDP, प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामीण रोजगार योजना, बाह्यताओं के अभाव में धरातल पर सफल नहीं रही है. किसी छात्र ने पूछा कि लॉकडाउन के बाद अर्थव्यवस्था का क्या होगा. इसका सही जवाब तो समय के अलावा किसी के पास नहीं है, परंतु मेरे विचार से उपभोग की क्षमता तथा उपभोग के विकल्प दोनों ही कम हो जाएंगे, जिससे अर्थव्यवस्था का आकार छोटा हो जाएगा. महंगाई नियंत्रण में रहेगी, भारतीय संस्कृति के सादा जीवन और उच्च विचार को बढ़ावा मिलेगा और यह भी हो सकता है कि चोरी बेईमानी